This is the deepest, creamy sounding keyboard known to man. It's a Leobog High 75 and it comes with a coiled cable, keycap and switch puller, and some extra switches. This is a full aluminum case in a 75% layout with a knob. With the gasket mounted structure and all the case foam that's inside, it makes any switch sound really good. This particular High 75 came with the Jungle V2 switches, and I gotta say I'm a fan. I own about 20 keyboards now, and out of all of them, this is the creamiest one by far. This creamy keyboard isn't perfect, but this is one I highly recommend you try out. I am so excited that the Leobog High 75 has made its way to TikTok, and I have the link below.